Educational products and toys play a crucial role in children's development by promoting learning, creativity, and cognitive skills. In this video, we will explore 10 exceptional educational products and toys that combine entertainment and learning to engage children in a fun and educational way. These products are designed to spark curiosity, enhance critical thinking, and foster a love for learning in young minds. Number 1. Art and Craft Kits. Art and craft kits encourage creativity, fine motor skills, and self-expression. They provide children with various materials and instructions to create their own masterpieces. From painting sets and clay modeling kits to jewelry making and origami sets. These toys inspire imagination and nurture artistic abilities. Number 2. Geography and world exploration toys. Toys that introduce children to different cultures, countries, and geography can broaden their horizons and promote global awareness. Globes, maps, and interactive toys with facts about different regions help kids develop a sense of curiosity and understanding about the world around them. They encourage exploration, cultural appreciation, and critical thinking. Number 3. Logic and strategy games. Logic and strategy games challenge children to think critically and plan ahead. Board games like chess, checkers, and strategy-based card games teach kids how to strategize, analyze situations, and make decisions. Number 4. Science Kits. Science kits offer hands-on learning experiences that introduce children to various scientific concepts. Science, whether it's a chemistry set, a microscope, or a weather station, these kits engage kids in interactive experiments, fostering a sense of curiosity and discovery. They encourage scientific thinking, observation, and experimentation while making learning fun and tangible. Number 5. Coding and robotics toys. With the increasing importance of technology, introducing coding and robotics at an early age can greatly benefit children. Coding toys, such as programmable robots or coding games, teach kids basic programming concepts in a playful manner. These toys encourage logical thinking, problem solving, and creativity, preparing children for the digital future. Number 6. Puzzle games. Puzzle games like Rush Hour or Gravity Maze challenge children's problem solving and spatial reasoning skills. These games come in various difficulty levels and offer hours of brain-teasing entertainment. Number 7. Augmented Reality (AR) books. AR books blend traditional storytelling with digital elements. By using a smartphone or tablet, kids can see characters come to life. Explore 3D models and engage in interactive learning experiences. Number 8. Math manipulatives. Math manipulatives, such as counting blocks, fraction tiles, or geometric shapes, provide a hands-on approach to learning math concepts. These tangible objects help children visualize and understand abstract mathematical ideas. Number 9. Language learning apps. Language learning apps like Duolingo or Babbel offer interactive lessons and games to help children learn new languages. These apps provide vocabulary, pronunciation practice, and cultural insights, making language learning enjoyable. Number 10. Musical instruments. Playing a musical instrument can have numerous cognitive benefits for children. Whether it's a keyboard, guitar, or drums, learning to play an instrument fosters creativity, improves coordination, and enhances memory and concentration. Educational products and toys are valuable tools for children's learning and development. The 10 products mentioned above, including art and craft kits, geography and world exploration toys, logic and strategy games, science kits, coding and robotics toys, puzzle games, math manipulatives, language learning apps, and musical instruments provide engaging and enriching experiences that foster critical thinking, problem-solving skills, creativity, and a passion for learning. Investing in these educational products and toys can help children grow intellectually and enjoy the process of acquiring knowledge. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell so you never miss out on our new videos, and thanks for watching. Until next time, safe travels.